Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Smartsheet with Make.com OAuth, full guide step-by-step. To authenticate Smartsheet with Make.com using OAuth, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Make.com website and log into your account. On your dashboard, locate the Create a New Scenario button and click on it. In the Scenario Editor, search for Smartsheet in the available apps. Select the Smartsheet app from the search results. You will now see an option to add a new connection. Click on that Add button next to Connections. A new window will pop up, prompting you to choose the authentication method. Select OAuth 2.0 from the options presented. Next, you will need to enter the necessary credentials for the Smartsheet API. Visit the Smartsheet developer portal to obtain your API credentials. Log in with your Smartsheet account to access your API settings. If you haven't created an API app yet, select Create App and fill in the required details. Make sure to specify the redirect URI to match Make.com's requirements. Once you have created your app, retrieve your client ID and client secret. Return to the Make.com connection window and input your client ID. Next, enter your client secret in the appropriate field. For the authorization URL, use the Smartsheet authorization endpoint. The token URL will be the Smartsheet token endpoint. After entering all necessary information, click on the Continue button. A new browser window will open, prompting you to sign into your Smartsheet account. Enter your Smartsheet credentials and authorize the access for Make.com. Once authorized, you will be redirected to a success page. Return to the Make.com interface where you should see your connection is now established. Test the connection to ensure everything is working perfectly. You are now ready to use Smartsheet within your Make.com scenarios. Start creating automated workflows that integrate Smartsheet effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.